A warm welcome from the heart of Munich at Café Datenschutz. Today's topic is the data protection compliant design of contact forms on websites. To learn more about what to consider, see today's video. Let us return to the fundamentals. Additionally, we require a legal basis for the data collected in the data protection forms that are present on the website. Additionally, we must notify the data subjects about the data collection processes, and finally, the form must be designed to collect only the required information as mandatory fields. Let's take a closer look at it. There is no requirement for separate consent in order to process the data provided in the contact form. Quite simply put, it is necessary for you to use the contact form that the data is processed accordingly, and that then becomes the accompanying legal basis. Secondly, individuals must be informed about the processing operations. This is usually done through a link to the website's privacy policy, which then includes the relevant information according to Articles 13 and 14. What is often mistakenly seen is that additional data protection provisions need to be accepted in some form for contact forms. This is not necessary. And importantly, if you intend to use the data used within the contact form, such as the email address, for other purposes like a newsletter, you must provide a separate form at this location specifically for obtaining consent to receive the newsletter via email. To have a talk with Karl Valentin. I hope you have eternal health and a dependable family doctor. And now moving on to the conclusion. On one hand, it is important to limit the contact form on the website to only the truly necessary information, such as email address and contact information, if you need the data collected there, for example. If you want to use the email address for other purposes, such as a newsletter, a separate consent is required for this. Make sure to address the relevant information in the privacy policy document on the website. And last but not least, it is not necessary in any way, shape or form to approve data protection provisions or similar measures for the contact form. What else has happened in data protection? The federal government does not intend to use the software Palantir acquired by Bavaria for the police sector at the federal level. More details in the description. Enjoy reading.